how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline viewing experience in your YouTube. First, open your YouTube app and make sure the YouTube app is up to date. Then, go to your home page and you'll see the Shorts section. To disable this, simply tap the three-dot icon on any Shorts video and select Not Interested. Do this for all the shorts that appear on your feed. Or you can just tap on Show Fewer Shorts. After you've done that, refresh your home page. You should notice that the shorts are no longer visible. Remember, you can still watch shorts by clicking the shorts icon at the bottom if you want to. If you want to watch shorts again, it will be visible on the shorts page but not on your home page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.